Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I wanted to go over this St. Patty's look that I came up with. Some of the things I'll list below as far as the products, because some of the stuff I can't see right now with these contacts. So I'll list it below, but I'll tell you what products I use that I can see. So yes, this is St. Patty's inspired. And so I will start with the eyeshadow. So I wanted to play around with, of course, some iridescent colors. If you can see that. So I started with pumpkin pie from Coastal Scents. And I'm sorry if I'm talking with the lisp. I'm still getting used to these grills. So use that under the brow. And then for the outer, I did a halo. So on the outer corners, I did inner and outer for each color. This is Houdini, and this is by a company. What was her name? She doesn't. I think she closed her store. And I'll put the who made it, but the color is called Houdini. Some of you out there probably already know about her products. And this is from Ensley Cosmetics. Is called Garden Pixie. And so it's a gold to green to blue shift. And these next two are from Terra Moon Cosmetics. This one is in Vampire Star. Oh, so for the Garden Pixie, that's right here. And then this color right here is Vampire Star. You can kind of see that shift. And then this color in the middle is called Let It Snow, again by Terra Moon Cosmetics. So then I applied a shamrock 4-leaf clover underneath. I put on my makeup, and then I did this with a stencil and some glitter. This glitter here, I'll list that name below. And for the lower lash liner, I'm using a Jordana liner in sea green. And then for the lips, I did like an ombre green lip. So I started with Lime Crime. This is old packaging. She probably doesn't have this packaging anymore. But the color's in Serpentina. And then on the inner, so I lined the outer lip with the Serpentina, and then in the inner, I used the Fluid Eye Paint from About Face. And this is in Vertigo Flowers. And then I went over it with the gloss by LA Girl. This is their holographic gloss topper. And I'll probably have to list the name of it below. But it's like a green holographic glitter. And for the face, I'm using the Yummy Skin by Danessa Myrick. I primed with that, the main squeeze. And then I applied the blurring balm powder, and that's Yummy Skin number 9. So I'm really liking this combination on the face, and I haven't worn it for a long period of time to test how long it lasts without it getting oily, but the last time I wore it lasted pretty long time. So for blush, I used Juvia's liquid blush in Marigold Glow. I put that on the cheeks first, and then I applied on top of that the La Femme blush in Apricot, I think it was. Yeah, this one. And let me see, the lashes are, I don't know, I guess they're Broadway lashes. The 5D, and the color, the style is 08. So I think that's pretty much all I use for the most part. If I forget anything or need to list any names of products down below, I'll list them. Oh, and I forgot to say what bases. So I put some bases on under the eyeshadows. I used the NARS Snake Eyes on the outer corners. And then in the middle, I used P. Louise. Her base in the Rumor base 0.5. So if you want to see this look in action, I will link the TikTok tutorial down below. And I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.